Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Wi-Fi not working on your HUAWEI Nova 14 Pro. So first, what you guys want to do is toggle Wi-Fi off and on in the settings. So open up the settings app. Now you need to go over and scroll until you see Wi-Fi right here. What we're going to do is we're going to disable the Wi-Fi first. So make sure that the switch is gray now, and we want to enable it back again. So this is a quick restart of our Wi-Fi. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to forget and reconnect to the same network in the Wi-Fi settings from right here. So choose a network that you're connected to. Now just click on forget, and then we're going to go over, select the same network, quickly enter the password, click connect, and as you guys can see, we're back and connected. If it's still not working for you, then I would recommend you guys restarting your router and a phone. So for the router, you got it on the back of the router. You got a switch that you need to turn off and turn on. This is a quick restart. For the phone though, you need to hold the power button only and hold it for 3 seconds. Now tap restart and tap to restart again. Now the phone is restarting, and also you guys in a second. After the restart, as you guys can see, we need to enter our password if you got one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to check for software updates in the settings. We're going to go here to the settings. Now scroll down until you see system and updates. And here, tap on software updates right up top here. It's checking for updates automatically. All you need is Wi-Fi connection. And if it did check for Wi-Fi, then your Wi-Fi is definitely working. You guys can double check that, make sure that you're on the latest version. So the latest version for the time of recording this video is 15.0.0, so make sure you got the same one. And now, as a last resort, go over to system and updates right here, go to reset, and now you need to click reset the network settings. This will reset network settings like Wi-Fi, mobile data, of course Bluetooth, and for the HUAWEI's new link. Now, this will reset everything like Wi-Fi. It will delete every single saved network. You need to log in again. For the mobile data, it just refreshes everything. And for Bluetooth, it also forgets every single paired device. So make sure that you're cautious with it because you cannot back those up. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.